When you search for the best fuel filters for Duramax, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Dox Diesel Fuel Filter DGF 429. First up is the Dox Diesel Fuel Filter DGF 429. Priced at $27.99, this filter caught my attention because of its impressive 4.8-star rating from over 518 reviews. If you want to keep your Duramax running smoothly and efficiently, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this filter stands out. This is crucial because any debris can cause serious issues in your fuel system. The DGF 429 boasts a 96.92% efficiency rating at 3 microns, which means it catches almost everything that could harm your engine. Plus, it's designed for specific Duramax models from 2017 to 2025, making it a perfect fit for your truck. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the guidelines, it's manageable. It might frustrate you at first, but many have successfully installed it and are thrilled with the performance. This is perfect for you if you own a 2017-2025 Chevrolet or GMC Duramax and want a reliable filter that guarantees engine protection. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. While it's not the cheapest, the quality justifies the price. Now, if the installation challenge worried you, the next filter on the list simplifies the process significantly. Product number 2, KOROP 6.6 Duramax Fuel Filter TP1015. Next, we have the KOROP 6.6 Duramax Fuel Filter TP1015, priced at just $11.99. This filter has a solid 4.7-star rating from 444 reviews, and honestly, it's hard to ignore its value. If you want to protect your fuel system without breaking the bank, this is a contender. It helps prolong your engine's life by filtering out harmful particles, keeping your fuel system clean and efficient. The included O-rings make installation straightforward, which is a big plus for anyone who wants to DIY their maintenance. However, some users reported that it doesn't quite perform as well in extreme conditions, especially in colder climates. Here's the thing, if you're in an area where temperatures drop significantly, consider checking reviews specific to your conditions. It may not be the best fit for everyone, but for normal driving conditions, it holds up well. This is a great choice if you're looking for an affordable and reliable filter for your Duramax. Skip this if you frequently drive in harsh weather and need something more robust. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for OEM quality. Product number 3, GM Genuine Parts TP1015 Fuel Filter Kit. Coming in at $21, the GM Genuine Parts TP1015 Fuel Filter Kit is a top choice with an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 4,200 reviews. If you want OEM quality that you can trust, this is definitely worth considering. This filter is designed specifically for truck compatibility, ensuring a perfect fit for your Duramax. With its solid construction, it's built to prevent dirt and rust from entering your fuel delivery system, which is crucial for maintaining long-term engine health. Plus, the seals included in the kit make installation much easier, which is a great bonus for anyone who's a bit hesitant about DIY work. On the flip side, some buyers pointed out that the packaging could be better, leading to minor shipping issues. Here's my take: as long as the product itself is intact and functions as intended, I wouldn't let a packaging issue steer me away. Just check it upon arrival. This is perfect for you if you value OEM parts and want something reliable for your Duramax. Skip this if you're on a super tight budget. There are cheaper options that might suffice for casual drivers, but for quality, it's a smart buy. Now, if you're looking for something that offers advanced filtration technology, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, AC Delco TP3018 Fuel Filter. Next up, we have the AC Delco TP3018 Fuel Filter, priced at $63.59. This one has a solid 4.7-star rating from 5,900 reviews, and I'll be real with you, it's a bit pricier but offers some serious protection for your engine. If you want to invest in your truck's health, take a closer look here. It's backed by GM, meaning it's rigorously tested to meet high standards. This is important because a quality fuel filter can greatly enhance your engine's performance and longevity. It fits perfectly in your Duramax, ensuring that everything works as it should. Now, some users have noted that it doesn't come with installation instructions. That can be a bit frustrating if you're not sure how to replace it. Here's my perspective. If you're somewhat handy or can find a tutorial online, you'll be fine. But if you prefer step-by-step guidance, this might be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality filter and are okay with spending a bit more for peace of mind. Skip this if you're not comfortable with self-installation. You might want to consider a product that provides those instructions. Finally, if you want high efficiency without a steep price tag, the last product on our list is a fantastic option. Product number 5, Caterpillar 1R750 Advanced Fuel Filter. Last but not least, we have the Caterpillar 1R750 Advanced High Efficiency Fuel Filter, priced at $31.94. With a great rating of 4.8 stars from 1,900 reviews, this filter is definitely worth your attention if you're seeking advanced filtration. This is crucial because it can lead to better fuel economy and performance, which is exactly what every Duramax owner desires. The thread size and dimensions are tailored for a perfect fit, making it an easy choice for replacement. However, some reviews mention that it may not be as effective with biodiesel. Here's the thing though, if you're running traditional diesel, this filter shines. If you're considering biodiesel, take a moment to read up on other options. This is perfect for you if you want a high-efficiency filter that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this if you primarily use biodiesel. There could be better options out there for you. Now that we've covered all 5 filters, let's quickly recap. So there you have it, 5 solid fuel filters for your Duramax. The Dox Diesel DGF 429 is a great mid-range option, while the KOROP TP 1015 is perfect for budget-conscious drivers. GM Genuine Parts offers OEM reliability, AC Delco brings high performance, and the Caterpillar filter excels in filtration efficiency. Consider your specific needs and pick the one that works best for you.